That is a Malay civet, the Bornean civet, yeah. Like the cat, but not it's a cat. That the like the raccoon, yeah. Before they smell my chocolate here. Yeah. This is Eco Camp in Batu Putih, Kinabatangan, Kopel. Yeah. To one of the Eco Pelancongan. Inside the lake, yeah. You see over there, they have frog. I think the species frog is a paddy frog. Yeah, if you can see. So yeah, that's it for the tonight. So see you later.